looking at creation with seeing eyes. Marvelous indeed is the Lord's universe. Within it he is working all his wonders of creation. Do not be a walking dead man in this world. Observe, analyze, and appreciate what God and his agent, man, have wrought here. How intricate is the universal mechanism. Reflect on the way we are made, and in what orderly fashion the whole machinery of creation runs according to cosmic law. We all see the flowers and enjoy their beauty, but who knows what is causing the flowers? Anything one uses or sees every day, be it a handkerchief, a musical instrument, a house, or a tree, he should question and ponder by what means, of what substance, it is made. Cars are taken for granted, but if you were to visit the factories in which they are produced, you would realize how complicated automobiles are. Consider too what went into making the paper for the daily news, and the intricate machinery that imprints it. No human hand could operate so fast. And if the creation of everyday man-made objects can be so complex, how vastly more complicated the creation of plants, animals, and human beings. It takes 10 years' study of medical science to understand the composition, functions, and requirements of the seemingly simple human body. Even a casual analysis reveals much to wonder at, though I sometimes think God could have made a few improvements. When a plant is growing in water in a glass jar, one can see that its roots are like hairs. Through the God-given intelligent energy in the roots, the plant draws from soil and water the food it requires for growth. Like an upturned plant, man similarly absorbs through his hair electric currents helpful to the body. Is it not amazing that the sap which feeds the leaves of the plant flows upward against the pull of gravity? When the skin of the plant is removed, one can see the intricate network of tubes that channel this sap. That which carries on this process of sustenance and growth is the mystery called life. When I am in the ecstasy of God consciousness, I behold this life in even a blade of grass. Little did I dream that I would be able to see such hidden marvels of creation. To concentrate on these marvels is to stand in awe of what the Lord has done. With calculated precision, God has ordained the structural form of each living thing and the requirements for maintaining that form in good working order. If there is any deficiency in those requirements, food, for example, plants, animals, and human beings suffer. The average person draws from his food all the various chemical elements his body needs, but there are many dietary transgressors whose meals do not contain all the required elements, or the correct balance of them. Improper nourishment is one of the main causes of all sickness in man. The effects of dietary deficiency can be seen almost immediately in a plant when some necessary chemical is omitted from its food. There are vital exchanges between man and all other living things. For eons, India has had the custom of cremation and scattering the ashes of the dead. In this and other ways, man feeds Mother Earth, and her plants in turn feed man. The reciprocity between man and trees is well known. Man inhales oxygen and exhales carbon dioxide. Trees absorb and store carbon dioxide and water, which they break down by photosynthesis to create carbohydrates, food. In the process, they give off oxygen, essential to man. Photosynthesis, being dependent on sunlight, stops at night. However, through another process called respiration, trees continuously release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, particularly at night when the counteracting influence of carbon absorbing, oxygen-producing photosynthesis is not present. As night air is usually still, the heavy carbon dioxide gas settles near the ground. In part for this reason, the custom of sleeping on beds, that is, above ground level, came about.